Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial. I'm going to be doing a full face. I'm not going to say every day because I don't do this every day, but it's like full glam natural makeup. So that's what I'm going to do today. If you like it, please leave a thumbs up, comment down below. But if you really like it, subscribe to my channel so you won't miss another video from me. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get into the video.
She tell me she want follow me to the corner. My friends in my calling. I tell them hold on, she just come. Girl, I wanna get to know your body, your body. Beats kicking, bouncing with it. Me, my guys chilling. Hold on a minute, cause I see your waist. Really hope it stays there. Really wanna touch me, I really wanna play there.
I forgot to prime my face, so I'm gonna prime my face now. And to prime my face, I use the Revolution Oil Control Fixing Spray. Looks like this. If you like to focus, thank you very much. Yeah, you can barely. I use that to set my face. I basically it primes my face because it like tackles on my oil. But before I do that, I use my baby skin primer. I don't know if there's a difference, you know, when I use the two, but all I know is that I don't get oily throughout the day. Yeah, now spray my face. Not too much though. And now we can get back to the makeup. Thank you very much.
I let her know that the bad girl, you tease me. She telling me, hold me, squeeze me. Get around, don't be greedy. I don't believe it's big dirty girl from Jamaica. Is it because I'm smiling? Oh yeah, baby, you want me? Oh yeah. She tell me she feeling me. She tell me she want follow me to the corner. My friends them are calling her. I tell them hold on, she's coming. See, girl, I wanna get to know your body, your body. You know you gotta go where you stay. Your body making me feel this way. Oh my God, see that waist. Don't wanna lose you to someone else. I know you gotta go where you stay. Your body making me feel this way. Oh my God, see that waist. Don't wanna lose you to someone else. Mind slow for me, tick tock for me, all out for me, girl, I'm here. Mind slow for me, tick tock for me, all out for me, lose yourself. Girl, come my way and call me Big Papa. Tell me who are the gaps in my loan, there ain't no other. Yeah, she tell me she feeling me. She tell me she want follow me to the corner. My friends them are calling her. I tell them hold on, she's calling. Girl, I wanna get to know your body, your body. Know you gotta go where you stay. Your body making me feel this way. Oh my God, see that waist. Don't wanna lose you to someone else. I know you gotta go where you stay. Your body making me feel this way. Oh my God, see that waist. Don't wanna lose you to someone else. Know you gotta go where you stay. Your body making me feel this way. Oh my God, go see that waist. Don't wanna lose you to someone else. I know you gotta go where you stay. Your body making me feel this way. Oh my God, see that waist. Don't wanna lose you to someone else. You ain't gotta leave alone. You ain't gotta go home by yourself. Baby, let me take you home. Baby, let me touch it by myself. Touch it by myself. Feel it by myself. Girl, being alone's bad for your health.
sugar. Baby, you ain't bitter, ain't nobody realer. They say that I'm a sinner, devil in disguise. Why they tryna paint your picture of me? I play it straight, score a sitter. You can be my winner, we can hit the villa. You can never be alone, my baby. I know it's crazy. If you wanna ride with me, let's go. If you wanna slide with me, let's go. If you wanna ride with me, let's go. If you wanna slide with me, let's go. Let's go, la lay my rora. Ololufe mi my rora. Lale my rora. Ololufe mi my rora. Baby, let's ride. Let's ride. Even if it's for one night. My baby, let's ride. Let's ride. Shorty be my rider. I love to show her off, I never hide her. I met her on the web like she a spider. She put it in reverse, she be the driver. Now she ringing off my like her. She say I no go find another like her. From her jacket to her panties in designer. And we never trip, we take trips till we higher. My baby never frowns, she's a smiler. On a late night she quint it till it's tighter. He want the money, you be fire. He want the money, I'm a gay, you be fire. Money, he want the money, she be shooty. You are too easy, wanting to be with me. No, you be my queen, mommy call me king. Girl, you are a win, I go give you some peeking. If you wanna ride with me, let's go. If you wanna slide with me, let's go. If you wanna ride with me, let's go. If you wanna slide with me, let's go. Let's go, la lay my rora. Ololufe mi my rora. Lale my rora. Ololufe mi my rora. Baby, let's ride. Let's ride. Even if it's for one night. My baby, let's ride. Let's ride. Michael, yeah. New sound, yeah, I set new trends. Na 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 na, yeah. Let's ride, yeah.
Hello, mama. What's your name? African queen, so bad you. Mama, where you bad you?
Ask anything, go.
Hello, mama. What's your name? African queen, so bad you. Mama, where you bad you?
Crystal City Records.
She loves her money and cars. Independent, she's so bad you. I could give her some boom boom boom. Cause she knows I'm the finest. Sexy girl and she has class. Independent, she's so bad you. I wanna give her some boom boom boom. You and I could be the finest. Me, you too flashy. Baby girl, you too classy, yeah. Only girl that I know. Holding it down on your own. I wonder if you're feeling my vibe. You're looking so nice. Can we go for a ride? Hello, mama. What's your name? African queen, so bad you. Mama, where you bad you? Come give it to daddy you. Hello, mama. What's your name? African queen, so bad you. Mama, where you bad you? Only you, I feel carry go. She loves her money and cars. Independent, she's so bad you. I could give her some boom boom boom. Cause she knows I'm the finest. Sexy girl and she has class. Independent, she's so bad.
You could stop hair and leave your face like this, or you could go in and add some lashes. But I like adding lashes because it adds a bit of to my look, you know. I do go out like this sometimes, but most of the time I have lashes on, so I'm just gonna put my lashes on and I'm gonna be back.
African queen, so bad you. Mama, where you bad you? Come give it to daddy you. Hello, mama. What's your name? African queen, so bad you. Mama, where you bad you? Only you, I feel carry go. She loves her money and cars. Independent, she's so bad you. I could give her some boom boom boom.
Sexy girl and she has class. Independent, she's so bad, you. I wanna give her some boom boom boom. You and I.
Hi everyone, welcome back. I said welcome back like you left. This is the final result. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is how I do my makeup when I'm going out and I just want to make an appearance. You feel me? Yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Like I said before, give it a thumbs up, comment down below and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
Sexy girl and she has class.